And umalume wakho came for me, and he wouldn't stop. I kept on doing what he was asking me to do, but it was never enough.
Yazi kodwa Maraji ngiyakhathalela ama-secrets akho. Kakhulukazi ngomkhonto wakho.
Umkhonto ngawunika sawubaba.
Ngiyacela tu. Awungitshela ivara.
Umntala imali akuyona inkinga, hisho nje ukuthi malini ukwenza lento.
10K at least.
Sikuphele nje kanjalo.
I will and can get you out of here. You go.
Oh, this place is hell.
Man, too many myalezo ngaleskhathi.
Asinexi. Kimsebenzi.
Singalaleli ngihora.
Aw, kwathi Cosolo ukubona isimathatha sikababa sijabule usho konke inkinga ayithe ukusalele emuva.
Hayibo, iy'nkinga.
Inkinga. Zolo lokho wena ubukade ukhala ngamuzi uthi awu, ngekuvayele erumini encane umphethe emncane ngapha umkhonto wami.
Ngiyabona wena baby, as long as ngeke nje uzungiforce ukuthi ngigidle kuleya mbhede wakho mncane. Eyomkhonto yona asibeke kanje. Asikho isidingo sokuthi ungitshele yonke into yezwa.
Kalula nje kanjalo. Lutho. Phela abantu besimanganyanazi athanda ukusidonsa ngenjebe. Kufana nenkomo nje uma ufuna inama emnandi enkomeni fanele kuyondla. Nakini ke uma ufuna ipeace.
Hayibo. Manje kumele ngilethele A1.
Yini manje ufuna ukuyiletha yodwa?
Ne man baby, about lama t-shirt amo use day yazi. Enhleke uyakena ukuthi last week nje ngidayise 5 nje kuphela.
Manje uzophinda ulahlekelwe enye imali futhi.
Ne asingenyuko lento lena man yazi. Yabona June 16 kahle kahle for mina about youth day grand shop yabona. Ilanga elaqala ukuphela kweapartheid. Yangithola? Yeah, ukuphela kwamadompasi, ukuphela kokungakwazi ukuvota, nalawa ma-net blankets wakhona lawo. Yabona lelanga leli ilanga elaqala inkululeko yethu.
Kahle bomntakwethu.
Yaphela apartheid yafika idemocracy. Wena wabona ihlobo linethi imvula inala.
Kodwa apha amanzi. Dololo.
Hey nakhona nje sifike kanjani lapho
Hayi mama ngeke ziyadula lezi zinto. Lapha ehostel nje abantu abana ngisho imali yokuthenga ushukela umancishana lo ngaka. Luthi imali ukuthi bakazi ukuthenga lona. Bazoyithatha imali yokuthenga imali eyikipa.
I'm glad you decided to come home last night. And we could move past our issues.
Mutaka, being crazy is more than just an issue.
No matter what, we stay in love.
Yes, let's stay in love.
And do when's the breakfast?
You know, I don't know what I would do if we were in love or we went together.
Well, we are. And you don't be salon.
You know what would make me happy?
And don't.
Is if you came with me today.
At Rongwen.
Yes, to see my mother.
Dikani, I was told you're the best. That's what my clothes source said. Dikani is the best investigator and fix up the whole of Gauteng. Now, when I ask you for one small thing, one thing, a judge's address, you can't deliver? No, you ought to do better.
Morning, Mr. Moroka.
Morning, Miss Sharma. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Can we offer you something to drink? Tea? Coffee? Please, Sophia, make Miss Sharma here coffee.
No need. I'm fine. Thank you.
Trust you me, you're gonna need coffee for this. There is something I need you to do for me. Call it a favor.
Depends on what it is.
I would have thought at your daily rate, you'd be delighted to do favors.
Mr. Maroka, I shouldn't have to remind you, but you are not my client. Kiabetswe is. You know, Mr. Maroka, I believe in the law, and I do due diligence.
Of course you do.
I learned a lot about you when I looked into your background.
Oh, really?
You were running Maroka Platinum through some interesting times. Strikes, explosions underground, bodies not recovered.
We were at war with illegal miners.
Yes, I got that too.
Since you are so thorough, then you'd know I'd do anything for my sister.
Anything.
Anything.
Can't say I find that reassuring.
I want to talk to the Honorable Justice A.T. Story.
Mr. Maroka, communicating with a judge with only one party present is illegal. Ex parte, you'd be breaking the law.
Even so,
Opposing counsel has to be notified.
then invite the prosecutor to the meeting so they know everything's above board.
To what end, Mr. Maroka?
I want to appeal to him personally. Who knows? Maybe I might be able to save the state some money and time if he throws out the case.
Baby girl, I'll tell you about the okay?
Okay, man.
All right. Hey, snakes! Snakesy!
Lala. Ngamagama enkehle mntanami. Wawukhulumela sewenzekile. Naku 10k wakho.
Cash, bengithi uzofuna i-bank details.
Hayi mntanami, baba uthanda ucash. Angifuni imali enomsila. Yabona into zo EFTs yakhulumisa. Awu baba ujiwe khona useneza umngane wakhe imali bla bla bla. Kuqiqisa isikhuluma indaba zamathende, eh? Hayi ibali phelele.
Ngiyathokoza Mr. Mabasa.
Kulungeleke. Siqala nini-ke?
Kuhle mdele ngikhambe ngiyofuna izinto zami zokuhwari zonke ngokupheleleko ke ngahlangabezana nehlekelele ngamabrush namapeyini so mdele ngiyothoma phasi.
Wengane ngimanjani ukuthi mhlawumbe ngalesikhathi sakho sekhefu selunch ntshontshe lapha ukuthi intinini ubamba lokho okudingayo bese siqala.
Yeah, absolutely. Ngibawa isithombe,
Sithombe?
sakho osithandako engizosebenzela phezu kwaso.
Hayi ayikhona mntanami. Ibambe lapho uyabona le ithombe ngabe bihambe ngothatha ithombe la ngifuna ukuthanda khona ngifuni isithombe esisafana ngazathi umdwebo uyayizwe ngishoyo
Angizwisisi.
mntanami ngifuna uma ngibamba manje ngithi umdwebe kuthiwa khona nanti le gqoma lawa basedayisa inyama kwaSulu Natal phuma into enhle ungibuke ungidwebe nje wesibhekene.
Oh, ufuna ukungijamela istayela?
Ya ungasho nje ukuthi ngifuna ukumodela kodwa ke mntanami nakho kwami ungayithi ivule into uhamba uyifafaza agcina umntwana wami untande sese ukuthi hey phela wenze lento yakhe engicasulayo angithi usekhukhumala izifuyo manje ubhizi uyimodla kalolu sekipeni manje useyibona ngathi usekumagazini.
Oh, okay. Kodwa umraro esinawo nje anginaso isikhali esaneleko sokuthi ungajama ngicale ngikudwebe.
Hayi mntanami ubaba uzoza kwakho.
Awu njengoba ngisho sikhona la soyi2 wena nginikeza isithombe engizosebenzisa as i-guide and then impressionist feeling okhuluma ngayo ngizokunikeza yona ngokugcweleko.
Hayi mntanami mina ngifuna sidwebana sibukane ungidwebe ungibhekile nami ngikubhekile sikhulume ngikwazi yabo.
Okhunye kodwa ukuthi angisanaso isikhathi esiningi ngihlala ngila and ngizokukhamba kabuthaka and then nasemberegweni ngibuya ngidiniwe.
Khuleka ubaba ngathi xaxa imali yakho ujabule kube kuhle umsuqeda ukwenza phinde ngifaka omunye u10 uthini.
Ubele snap emole usmela lady auntie like they hit the jackpot. Caption iri family is everything. Uskatheha Kumo. Nganole is supposed to be a surrogate. Atswele pele ka bophelo ba hae. Empa jwale o iketsa leloko la family.
You do know you're about to lose your queen, right?
No, I'm not.
Ah, I see.
How do I shut her down, Kumo?
You can't. She lived in your house. She was in your business, in Jack's business. She's not a real surrogate. If we're being realistic, she knows too much. All Jack can do is hold her close, and he has to.
And then I have no say in it because she's carrying precious cargo.
Nope. Which is why ke batla go go botsa gape. Are you sure you want to marry this man?
What I know is that I don't want to die alone. I need Didi Atlokofala. I felt dead inside. Nix na taba, ka ing, ka pamang. I was just going through the motions. Jacka we change Twiwa. I don't feel dead anymore. I feel very, very alive.
I understand.
Do you?
Yes, I do. Love has no intelligence. But then you'll have to find a way to live with this girl as part of your family. Checkmate.
Hi, Ma.
Hey, my boy.
Molo, Miss Moroka.
Lulama wanted to come and see you.
Gore a tlo kgona ho ngola some more stories about me straight from jail.
No, Ma.
I'm not here as a journalist. But if it makes you uncomfortable,
Dula fatshe, Lula.
andimandi ulinda ngaphandle.
Ke itse dula fatshe, dula. Ke batla go bua le Lulama on my own, so ke kopa gore fe fela motsotsunyana.
Are you okay with that?
Oh, well, khalangola ka nna kere. Surely she wouldn't mind gore a dule fatshe fela just for a minute. A willing. It's fine.
Thousand. Mamela mfowethu uzobe usupporta a young local artist angithola. Ena shima zomfana abantu akasenabazali man.
Emotional blackmail ka se bereke ka nna. Bona ngile ka leka go supporta an artist. Me fela ga go bereke ga sentle.
No, okay yena makunjalo kena asithi siyenzela ihistory yani yomzabalazo na everybody lapha yana fantukazo owabhorela thina mfowethu. No ibheke. Yenhle le t-shirt ma-1000 buka nje. He? Quality yakhona manyazi i-top notch. Ifile ukuthi it's soft kanjani.
Ha ke motho le di t-shirt nna. Le gone ke na le di emails tse 15 tse tshwantse gore ke di arabe mo. And gape the tax man wants to see my return.
Yabona mangaba uyibuy t-shirt ngizophonsela elami idolo phansi. Ngithanda zothi uNkulunkulu athathe wonke amamitha akho. Wena mara uyi-tough customer yazi. Abangane bathi fixa. Chamam, zothenga i-t-shirt ne for June 16 please and also ukusupporta umngane wakho wafantuka.
Sorry, Chomi, I did some style.
Si style lesi Chomi. It's Chomi yazi since global media evalile ukuringa evar. Ipoto lami liya-affecteka Grenshapo. And ngayidinga le extra cash. And Chomi mamela. Yabona wena mangathenga wonke umuntu man everybody uzothenga.
I didn't say handle.
And like izovula nenhlobo meet. Eh?
I could say Chomi. It's all tied up in insurance and lawyers. So I can check. But maybe Nalwa Narakakopana later, eh? For a drink. I really need advice.
Oh, okay. No, sure. No, ngihlabelela lapho ucanga ukuthi ayithengise i-t-shirt because ngifake ubuso bakakhazi ka.
Maybe. Chama, I really have to go. I can't really laptop ka Jacob, but we can talk later, ne?
Yeah, sure.
Sharp.
Like yini? I-design. Mara abantu phela basenandaba. Hayi man. Yazi mina ikhonto engayifristani la. Egila bayafundisa yazi ngo-1976. Kodwa mara abantu ngathi abayigethi lento lena ngathi abayi-understand. Imagine fantuka hlompi abantu abangaka. bamatsha mfowethu batoyitoya bayenzela ukuthi singazofunda ngetali ye-opera yaze singayifirstani grandshap wena nakho-ke mathekes baphulethe hayi bo abangani bethu bewa phambi kwethu dying in front of our eyes. How can that not matter? Hayi mara yazi abantu hayi cha.
Ndiyayazi unomsindo kum, but I had to write about you. Mr. Mugale ordered me to. Boss yam. I only put facts on those stories. No commentary or opinion or personal stuff, just facts.
Wait, hona le maloma wa ka ona rata hore the way ho tsaba motho gore o tlhalefile ona le tlhaloganyo is by the ability gore ba gone o ikenya maotong a batho ba bang. Ke ne ke batla gore a skise ho wena Lulama.
Xolise. No, you don't need to.
Wait, go raule. Haule ka mo o ba le nako e ngata ya gore o nagane. You know, o nagane diketso tsa hao, dintho tse o kileng wa di bua ho batho. How you've mistreated people. And I'm sorry, Lulama. No one is perfect, and we've all done bad things.
I know.
I wasn't a good mother, Ukamo.
You've been other great things, Miss Moroka.
Yeah, but I wanted to be a great mother. But I wasn't. Kinekile selfish. Kinekile insecure. Kinekile tshaba. And I ran away from my responsibilities. I didn't. Kaisa di mistakes. The mistakes didn't fail.
Wonke umuntu uyayenza impazamo.
Mamela, this is very important, okay? Ke tlo kopa gore o tlhokomele Kamo. Okay, you're his comfort. Wa go rata. And you've helped him go through so many things already.
Ndiyacela suthetha ngolu hlobo.
Bona ga ile gore trial ena ha e tsamaye sentle. I could be gone for a very, very long time. So ke kopa gore o ntlhokomelle Kamo. Can you do that for me?
Ne ke lo check office ya rona ke pain damage fela so ba tlo qeta e sekgale o do ke setse bo rwetsalang ezweni mohlomong ba tlo qeta in about 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. Hey, asibonge man. Asho Chomi. Akhona ama message amasha aphuma ku baby mama.
Simnabadisana. Ha di so tle mara ke tseba re di tlotla. O tseba ngwana ne le nka re ka molebala ha ntumelle.
Ayishazi Chomi askisi man. Yabona mawile yami. Le blood sucker le vampire le yana. Ithwele igazi la kamabaso. Esiswini. Awumntana kaSathane.
Ke a tseba.
Commission. Yini ngempela kumele ukuthi uyipende?
Ase artist yani ya le rabele etewona sponsor.
Ya nje ubuye vele. Yazi usema uncinga kabuhlungu kanjani ukuthi ingayi ugel umsebenzi. Angisho phela lakho ke ugel iko yakhe imshiye like I won manje unolinyana so. Anobheke manje. Apparently sengemhafela ukuthi aringe no Sam
20,000.
Yeah. Federo ufuna ukuthi ngimdwebele efledini lami. Ngimdwebe ahlezi isitayela. Basho ngaphandle kwalokho angazi ukufinyelela emoyeni yakhe.
Hayi. Umndeni wakamabaso wena unezinto zawo nje.
Ngizwe ukuthi wabatho umna kwabo musi yindlondlo isigeleke ecisa umgolukudu omkhulu.
Jack bewumgulukudu kodwa ke maningi amahebezi futhi kade abakhona ngaye. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi wasizona le story sakhe ngale phoyisa elavele lazibhodisa.
Complicated.
Into engakutshena yona nje mina noma Sebo ukuthi ujiwe again uhamba indawo eziphezulu kakhulu. Mawukuthi wena uzoshaya ispan umpende nje futhi kahle. Baningi abanye abantu abazofuna ukuthi nabo bapende yabona.
Khona vele yazi udweba abantu ibisi hayi akusizi into zami kuhle kuhle mina sengenzeka imali.
Kodwa yini bafuna nama after hours nje manje nangithinta ngama-tip of abhedayo.
Hey, wena Sam. Angihafele ukuthi uringe ilanga lonke nalo mfana lo uSam yezwa.
Oh, hayi malusana chazela mina nje ngama-special.
Always on my case.
Lalela phela uma ukuthi udinga ukuthi uyothenga ubhende yabona vele ungithinta kuzokusiza ne.
Hayi ngiyile ngelanje.
Hawu, uyabona-ke ngikutshenile phela ukuthi wena bekumele nje ukuthi vele ungene kulo mnyango ovuliwe vele. Utalented futhi uhlakaniphile yabo uzokwazi ukuthi uyenze yedwa lento le.
Yeah, sengiyabona kancane kancane.
So, une idea sharp ne? Kulomman. A lady would say una thabetse go bua le wena. She said your flying news pieces were really fair. And she really likes you.
Yes, she did.
There you go.
Enkosi.
Thank you for going with me.
I can't.
Malume Kumo is doing everything he can to get her out. And he will. That's who he is. A family fixer. But Lechu drop her Casey and she'll get out and everything will get back to normal.
Ingamnandi lonto ne?
Lechu bamnandi. You know what we should do when she gets out?
What?
Twantserimise pleking Elia ko Botswana. Remember the one we saw on TV?
The expensive one with international tourists?
Oh, it's affordable. Plus, we'll have plenty of reasons to celebrate. Are you hungry? I'm starving. Yeah.
Ay, Mixo. Bafanas.
Ladies night, huh? Hayi ninenhlanhla nina phela abanye bethu kumele basebenze.
Insizama yajwang show yaho ya June 16.
Iyahlangana yona. Ngina 2789 wabantu abathi banedoro ezimangazayo.
Oh, hayi bo mina ngalapha yazi ngihluleka ukuthengisa neticket eyi-1 nje kuphela.
Ha, imiyalezo nama voice message. Cishe ukuthi ala ko 1000 la efonini yami.
Well, you're gonna have to pick the best 3.
Yeah, kuzongithatha isikhathi kodwa phela ukuthi ngidlule kona konke lokho. Ngwange ngazi nona ukuthi eziphi itori ezizona zona. Abantu phela bangaqamba namanga nje basho noma yini ukuze babe ku podcast yabo.
Well, wena uqhela uba so impulsive ka hobe yafuna bayaho on the platform.
Ay, phela unonhle wehleze nokungitshena ukuthi usebenzisa ama instincts akho.
Mhlambe uye ke loyo.
Hello?
Cheers, Chuma.
for sure.